Hi, my name is Megan Attevely, and I'm the CEO of LUMOplay, and I want to show you how to cancel your subscription. This is pretty easy to do, and you can do it from anywhere, any computer that has internet access. You start by going to lumoplay.com, log into your account, and then from the top right drop-down menu, just click on My Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you will see a button that says Manage Billing. Click on Manage Billing, and that will open up Stripe's customer portal. And this is where you manage all of your billing information, how many licenses you have in your account, what your payment methods are, and whether or not you want your subscription to renew. So if you don't want your subscription to auto renew, or you're just done using it, all you need to do is click on Cancel Subscription. It'll ask you to confirm, and then it'll give you a little exit survey that you can fill out to help us understand why you're not using LUMOplay anymore, and hopefully that will also help us make it better. It's optional, obviously. You can just click no thanks. And then you can return to our website just by clicking on the Return to Lumo Interactive Inc. on the left-hand side of the screen. So that'll take you back to the dashboard, or you can go back to the website. If you have any questions, you can reach me at info@lumoplay.com. I can also manually cancel your subscription for you if you reach out to me, but it is way faster and easier to just do it yourself. The reason that you might want to cancel your subscription is, like I said, to prevent it from auto-renewing, or because you're just not using it. If you are planning on using your subscription for just like a month or two, then I recommend setting an alarm or a calendar reminder, some sort of an alert to remind you to turn it off. If it's under a month, you can just cancel it immediately after paying for it and it'll continue working. Same thing if you have an annual subscription. If you don't want it to renew at the end of the year, just pay for it and then immediately go in and follow these steps to cancel it, and that'll prevent it from renewing at the end of the year. And you'll still get a little notice. You'll get an email that tells you that your subscription is about to expire. So if you just want a reminder every month or every year to go in and like repay for it, that's also an option. And sometimes people prefer that because that way you can make a decision every single time instead of just having it unexpectedly charge your credit card and having to worry about forgetting to cancel it. So yeah, contact me at info@lumoplay.com if you have any questions, and I'll always be happy to help. I'll be back next week with another quick tutorial.